Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Myself SKJ, you're watching Surveying in Civil Engineering. So today I'm going to talk about a one-way and two-way slab. So usually whenever we're going to construct a slab, on the basis of the room dimension, we're going to decide this one-way and two-way slab. So all such things I'm going to discuss in this today's video. So here I have just taken one small plan here. So this plan consists of three rooms. So 1, 2 and 3. So here in the first room, the dimension of this room is 20 feet by 18 feet, and second dimension is having 20 feet by 9 feet, and third room dimension is 20 feet by 6 feet. So these are the three rooms what I have taken for the uh, plan. And in the first room, so wherever the longer length, I'm going to denote as ly, and in the shorter length I'm going to denote lx. So this you need to keep it in your mind. So wherever the longer length we're going to have, so that we're going to denote as ly, and in the shorter length we're going to denote as lx. So here there is a ratio what we're going to see. So if ly by lx, if it is greater than 2, then we're going to say the slab is one way slab. And if ly by lx, if it is less than 2, then we're going to say two-way slab. So here you can just check it here. So for the first room, 20 by 18, it this ratio it is getting less than 2, 1 point. So here this is having ratio that is less than 2. So this is having two-way slab. And whereas 20 feet by 9 feet, if you are going to take this ratio, so this is coming more than 2, more than 2. So this is we going to consider one way slab. So these are the two things you need to keep it in your mind whenever we're going to construct a slab. So there we need to consider this kind of ratio. If ly by lx, if it is greater than 2, then go for one way slab, and if ly by lx less than 2, then go for two way slab. So now I'm going to take the first room, so which has 20 feet by 18 feet. So this is 18 feet, 20 feet by 18 feet. Now I will take the ratio. So ly by lx, that is 20 by 18, which equal to 1.11. So this value is less than 2. There we need to consider two-way slab. So we're going to design two-way slab here. So here you can just check it here. So in the shorter direction, we're going to provide the main bars. So this is the main bar which is going straight, and here we're going to have the crank at this point, and ultimately here it's going to go straight, and again we're going to have the crank bar like this. So here we need to provide the crank bar like this in the staggered manner. So here you can just check it. This is the elevation what I have just shown it. So this is how the steel going to go straight, and one side it going to have the crank bar, and whatever the cranked we're going to put, so that whatever the distance from the uh, center line of the wall to whatever the length we're going to have, so that length we're going to consider as l by 3 to l by 6. Suppose uh, your room size is 20 by 18, So this main bars we are putting in shorter direction. So length is 18 feet. So 18 feet. So this 18 feet we're going to consider as a small L. So L by 3 to L by 5. So whatever the length we're going to get, so that much length we need to provide for putting this crank bar. And the spacing between bar to bar we need to have 6 inch to 7 inch. So if you are going to design as per the IS 456 2000, so there we're going to get around the spacing of bar is 150 mm to maximum, that is 300 mm. So anything you can choose like a spacing, but as per the design we need to go through all this whatever we're going to consider for a spacing. But usually on site people used to take this two, that is 6 inch or 7 inch. So any one they're going to choose and they're going to keep it the rod spacing in such manner. Now here this is the main bar. Now coming to next, this one is the distribution bar. So here one you need to understand. So usually whenever we're going to take the two-way slab, so in the two-way slab we're going to get the crank bars in both sides. So in the shorter direction also you're going to get crank bar, and in the longer side also you're going to get crank bar. But here you can just check it. So in the shorter side we're going to put the main bar. So here I have just kept the note. So main bar always comes in shorter span, and distribution bar, so this is the longer bar. So this is acts as a distribution bar. So distribution bar comes in longer span. So this you need to take care. So shorter span will be the main bar and longer span will be the distribution bar. And in the second note what I have mentioned, that is main bar always provided as bottom bars. So always provided as bottom bars. So these are the bottom bars. On top of this we're going to put this distribution bar. So distribution bar are provided at top of main bars. So this will be the distribution bar. So whenever we're going to set up the reinforcement for the slab, so main bars always going to be bottom and distribution bars always going to be top. So that you need to take care. And here you can just check it. So here if you're going to take this length bar, and again here you're going to do the crank, and another end there is no crank here, and top of this there will be no bars. So here what you're going to do, one small piece, so based on the length what the cranked length we have taken, so that much of length we're going to take a piece of bar and we're going to just put it on top of this bar. So this bar we're going to consider as a extra top. So this extra top, what it happens, so both the ends the rod will be taken at top. So that is one thing. So some cases people will provide this extra top. In some cases they won't provide this extra top. If you are going to provide this extra top, so there will be more strength gain. So whenever the load going to come on it, so you can put this extra top whenever this kind of design if you're going to consider. So here also you can just check it. So here it is cranked, and another end there is a just flat rod which is going. Above that flat rod you can put this bar over, and this will be your extra top. So extra top is required whenever we go for the cranked at one end, and another end if you are not going to provide the crank, so there you need to provide this extra top. So this is all about the two-way slab. So one you need to understand, in the two-way slab, in the both the direction you're going to get cranked bars. So that is one. So now next we'll move forward to one-way slab. So in the one-way slab, the second room what I've just taken, that is 20 feet by 9 feet. So longer length is 20 feet, shorter length is 9 feet. So Ly by Lx, where Ly is 20 feet, Lx is 9 feet. So 20 by 9, that is equal to 2.22. So which is greater than 2. So there we need to take one-way slab. So there you need to consider one-way slab. So here, as I already told, in the shorter length, we're going to take main bars, and longer length, we're going to consider distribution bar. So here in the shorter length, we are taking this main bar, and the longer length, we are taking distribution bar. And one thing you need to understand here. So in the one way, only one side we're going to put the crank bars, especially in the main bars. So in another length, we are not going to put the crank, because in the one way what happens, only one side it going to deflect. If this is the slab, suppose this is the slab, if this is the slab, so only one side it going to deflect. And in the two-way slab, in the all sides it going to deflect. So so that is why the calculation what we're going to take for getting one way and two way, so here we need to see by having this ratio, and this ratio is mentioned in IS 456, IS 456 2000, IS 456 2000. So if you are going to refer this code book, so this way you will get it in online. So there also you can download and you just go through it. So there they have mentioned this Ly by Lx, if it is less than 2 then go for two way, if greater than 2 go for one way. So in the one way, only one direction you're going to get the load, so there we're going to provide this main bars, and another direction we're going to put distribution bar. So this is how we're going to put. So that's it guys, and I will put the link above. So there is a very beautiful animation what they have done on this putting the reinforcement. So all such details they have just shown in the graphical manner in 3D view. So you just go through it, and that's it guys for today's video. I hope you liked whatever the information I have just uh, given, and please do subscribe to my channel, give thumbs up to my video, and see you in the next video. Thank you, thanks for watching, bye.